Welcome to iLEAD, where education isn't just a pathway, it's a transformation. For over a decade, we've been crafting success stories, empowering students from every background to turn their dreams into reality. We bridge the gap between theoretical learning and the real world. From hands-on projects to innovative teaching methods, iLEAD prepares you to meet tomorrow's challenges head-on. Our cutting-edge infrastructure meets the needs of a new generation of learners. At the School of Creativity, School of Business, and School of Technology, education evolves to match the pace of innovation. Imagine a college that says no to rote learning and yes to experiential education. A hub where you master skills that the real world demands: communication, critical thinking, and leadership. Here, confidence is cultivated. From battling stage fright to commanding the spotlight, iLEAD transforms hesitation into self-assurance.
কোথাও কথা বলতে গেলে আমার প্রচন্ড আগে হাত পা কাঁপতো।
In school, whatever used to happen, I was always the backstage artist.
3 years back, if you came to me and told me कि एक कैमरा सामने होगा, एक इंसान मेरा इंटरव्यू ले रहा होगा and तुमको ये करना है, मैं बोलता है कि कौन हो आप?
I did not ever feel scared here.
It was my second home.
Not first home, second home, it's my home.
मतलब एक अलग बॉन्ड बनता है, ये घर जैसा लगता है।
लाइक আমি বাড়ির থেকে বেশি এখানে টাইম কাটাই। আমি জাস্ট সকালবেলা ঘুম থেকে উঠে কলেজ আসি and I stay here for the whole day.
बट ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस मुझे नहीं मिला था स्कूल से जितना मुझे यहाँ मिला.
I am an iLeader. That what comes out of the mouth. They say that action speaks louder than words, but your words also matters. So when the moment you say I lead is an affirmation that you're doing to yourself that you are going to lead.
I just love this college a lot. I don't know, but I love this college a lot.
Our vibrant campus is where life thrives. A ragging-free, inclusive environment ensures that every student finds a place to belong, a talent to celebrate, and a future to build. With global collaborations, industry mentorship, and internship opportunities, we don't just teach skills, we create leaders. iLEAD isn't just a college, it's your gateway to a future that shines brighter than ever. This is where your transformation begins. iLEAD. Imagine. Become.